Hello, this is Ben, and I'm looking at LEGO set 75366. This is the 2023 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. If you're counting down Advent and you have LEGO fans in the house, this is a great way to do that, as every single day you get to open up a set and add it to the scene. The way this works is you do not open the box on the end, but instead you untape the front and it opens up, and then this is the little scene where you get to start building and adding your sets to. And every day you open up a compartment, you pull out the inside set, and there are some basic instructions for putting it together. I was really quite surprised at the detail of some of these sets. Some of them are minifigures, some of them are small sets, and some of them are micro sets. The set combines element from Return of the Jedi, Clone Wars, and The Bad Batch. So you do get 8 minifigures, including Emperor Palpatine, who's wearing a Christmas sweater, an Ewok, and a pit droid in holiday outfits as well, Gonk droid, Omega with a sled. The calendar also has 15 mini builds: Justifier, the Mandalorian's N1 fighter, STAP speeder, AAT, Imperial shuttle, ATST, speeder bike, Imperial Star Destroyer, and an Ewok glider, Clone Command Center, Ewok Village, Endor bunker, Endor shield protector, and Emperor's throne. We have several kids, so we take turns who gets to open the daily window and put together the set. We have only opened a few days so far, and we look forward to each day and what it's going to bring. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.